What I got going on here today is I'm replacing the propane gas alarm in an RV. This one, fortunately, we got a little suntan spray in there, and it keeps going off. And I think it's time to replace it. There is a date on here when you need to replace it. I simply just unscrewed it from the wall, and I'm just going to take our new one and splice it in there. Okay, I just put some electrical tape on there and make sure you don't mix up the wires. Put these connectors off, strip the wires back, and then wire our new one in. Yeah, it's wired up. I'll spare the testing of it so it's not too loud. Now we'll just push our wires back into the wall here, and we'll screw it to the wall.